Ya ini kemarin lawan Argentina kita bantai. Next lawan Prancis.
Welcome then, it's anyone's bet who'll go through to the next round here. Today they're lining up 5-2-1-2. They'll be looking to stall their opponent's attack and break away with ruthless efficiency.
Kick off babak pertama.
And we're off. This should be an entertaining game. Good ball. They've expanded their accommodation, more space for more players. Passed well. Hernandez. Confident pass. That's good link-up play. They won it back. They're appealing, but he's on. He's given the referee a decision to make here. That is a bad foul. Is this a goal? Intercepted. Safe passing from his team. It's Messi! That's outstanding. What a goal! It's low and accurate into the bottom corner. A real striker's finish. And the manager will be really pleased. They were tipped to win this match. No surprise then that they've scored the first goal. Played back to the goalkeeper. Now it's Griezmann. Robertson. Koundé with a tackle. The referee checks his watch and blows for half-time. One team takes a narrow 1-0 lead into the second half. And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is... Just what they needed. A great goal. While the sunshine brings the light, fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound, safe and sound. It's 2-0 now. While the sunshine brings the light, fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound, safe and sound. Finds his teammate, and it's cleared by Varane. They're just looking to keep the ball. Well cut out. Good distribution. It could be a chance here. Bourgeois has got it now. It's Messi with the ball. Passed inside. Oh, he did really well there. And the manager's making a change here. Oh, there's activity on the bench. Likely to see some fresh legs introduced shortly. Lovely passing here. Oh, awful challenge. He'll have to pay the price for his poor behaviour. He's going to be suspended for too many bookings. Good ball. That's gone out for a corner. Oh, and it's hit the bar. Good defending.
Diam, brother.
It's a throw-in. It's going to be a double substitution today. Headed on. He's headed the ball forward. Passed well. Full time, the manager will be pleased by his team's cover. They'll be setting their sights on the final now.
Breathes the light, fill me out with a flame. I will let you